So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Auxbeam GX series, the H13s that fit the new Jeep. It might be the same for the old Jeep. I just know it is for the new buy style. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a pry tool or a flathead, and you're going to have a push pin right there, here, 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 and here. And take those out, then just give it a little tug and put it in here, pick it up and move it to the side. Actually, I already installed these. You're just going to take this bolt out, that one on both sides. They're 10 millimeters, and then there's a little dust cap on the back that you're going to take off, unscrew it, and bolt it in. All right, now we got the grill back on. I'm going to unlock it. That's what they look like. All right, so I took the headlight out. Auxbeam sent me this. Well, I had to order it, and there's not enough room in here for that to fit in here without a little bit of work. So there's a little clip on that side, that little white thing. So you're gonna push in, and that little clip's gonna pop out. Probably should do this beforehand, but you're gonna, hold on, I'm gonna sit you down for a second. You're gonna plug these into each other. There we go. Then you're gonna go ahead and plug this into factory one. And I noticed that these are a little tough to get in there compared to the other ones. So now you're gonna see that there's a little indentation right there. So you're gonna feed that and that in there. Once you get that in there, you're gonna put your finger inside where the bulb goes, and you're gonna pull back. All right, so we kind of got this in that little indentation, so I can move around. Then this, I think on the other one I was just able to rotate a little bit and able to push it down there more. But apparently I can't on this one. So then you're gonna put part of the headlight in there, the connector and all that. You're gonna take your bulb and you're gonna just go ahead and put that back in. And then you're gonna put the dust cover on, which I left outside. And it looks like that might have worked. So if you have the new Jeep and you order the Auxbeam lights, order a decoder with it.